Not highly recommended, but I have to clean this, so I'll remove the battery for this. Gonna need this and this. So let me know in the comments, would you clean your RCs with water just like I'm doing here? I do that not every single time, but if it's too dirty, like in this case, all of these three vehicles are very dirty. Some of the electronics there are not waterproof, but I'm not planning on running this vehicle in the next day or two. So I'll just go ahead and clean with water. I'll scrub with that brush, get all the dirt out, and then eventually I'll let it dry. And once it's completely dry, it's not going to be a problem. Very important, yes, remove the battery, right? That's basically what you must do. You don't want to leave the battery there, because if by any chance there is a short circuit, the battery is actually going to burn your electronics, not the water. So I just go opening with the hose here, cleaning all the tires, cleaning everything. As you can see, my H14BM has a broken knuckle that I will fix. I will probably install aluminum parts in that H14BM. I have aluminum parts for all of these vehicles, and I will install in strategic places. I don't want to go all aluminum. Maybe I will install all just to show how to do it, but I'm not planning on running all aluminum. A lot of people out there have different thoughts on which parts you should go aluminum, which ones you should not. So do your best judgment. I don't like to have A-arms with aluminum because it just transfers the impact to the chassis, and then it's much harder to fix versus just replacing a cheap plastic A-arm. So this is gonna be it for this video here. Be cleaning up these vehicles and getting it ready for the next run. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that this helped you. It's just really showing how I do it with my own vehicles. Thank you. If you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. Leave your comment, your question. Tell me if I'm crazy doing this, or if you would actually do the same. Thank you. Bye. So I like to get this brush and just go underneath the chassis everywhere that there is a lot of mud, into those little spaces, and brush it pretty well. I have used power wash before, but just takes longer to set it up, so I'm just going with the hose in this case. And you'll notice in the ground you see lots of rocks, especially from the other vehicle there next to this one, the smaller one. It had so much mud, and trapped in that mud there was lots of rocks. I never had any issues with the servos being burned or anything. I heard that when servos get stuck with rocks, and if you don't notice quickly, you can burn the servos. These Hypergos are great, and I haven't had issues. So this one right there is the H14BM, pretty clean now. And this is the one that had the most dirt, rocks. Look at the underneath the vehicle now. All of those small rocks coming out of the wheels, coming out of the suspension, coming out of everywhere. This vehicle was heavy in dirt. The video about this one running into the dirt, it is already available in the channel. I had a lot of fun, and this is just the time to clean it up, do it with your own discretion. If you think you're gonna break stuff, maybe don't do it. But again, I washed many times my cars. If you let it dry completely, you're not gonna have issues at all. Once more, thank you very much for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye.